Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is an anchovies. It's cleaned already. We remove the head because the head is a little bit, the taste will be different. So we are only eating the body portion of the anchovies. This will be the so-called Kilaweng anchovies in Filipino. The way how to prepare this one is to prepare your scallion. Put your scallion. Okay. This is an organic scallion coming from my backyard. Okay. We try to mix this one. We put salt. Okay. So the only one missing here for it to be an anchovies kilawin is the seasoning. So for our seasoning, we'll get our filter here. These are calamansi juice. Okay, I got it from my backyard tree. So instead of using vinegar, we use this one. This is more sour than the lemon. This is actually the one that will try to kill the anchovies for us to eat it, you know. So the one who will try to cook the anchovies is this sour thing here. That's why we call it kilaweng, right? We call it kilaweng. Okay, that's 6 calamansi. That's very sour. So this is done. Okay, this is done. If you want to eat, you could eat this one now, and this one is almost it's not fully what I call this tendered by the sour thing, but actually we could try this one now. Okay, it is good. So this one is ready. That's the anchovies, the so-called Kilaweng Dilis in Filipino. Okay, good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is a fresh anchovies Kilaweng. It's Kilaweng Dilis. Okay, it's ready. So the ingredients is just scallion. We put the what they call this salt. Then 6 pieces of the calamansi. Okay, and this is ready. Okay, this is ready to be served. I will try this one. It is good. Okay, good afternoon from Los Angeles. Professor David J.